I would describe my master's in these three words. The first one would be technology, because it's about Industry 4.0, so of course it's a trend in the industry. The second one is experience, because this master gives you the opportunity to have the actual experience in a real company. And the third one would be network, because the contacts I've made definitely are a unique thing I acquired thanks to POLIMI. Well, as I was mentioning before, probably the most unique thing is that this master's program gives you the opportunity to go to an Italian multinational. So it's something that was very innovative for me. I made a lot of contacts over there, I had so much fun, and of course I learned tons. And yeah, this is basically what it makes it super different from the other programs. Okay, yeah, so the master's degree has definitely helped me, because right now other European universities such as EADIC has invited me to give talks to other students about Industry 4.0. So I've been international speaker about Industry 4.0, and I'm just very happy to be able to do that right now after the master's degree.